In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify bulk discount. If you're ordering a lot of the same product for an event, a team, or stocking your brand, Printify's bulk discount can significantly reduce your costs. Savings can include up to 46% off the product price and up to 50% off shipping, and they usually kick in when you order at least 20 items from the same print provider. Keep in mind that exact thresholds can vary by product, so I'll show you how to check everything before you pay. First, log into your Printify account. Head to the Printify website and sign in so you can access your catalog and orders. Once you're in, it's time to find products that are eligible for bulk discounts. Go to the catalog and choose the category you want, like t-shirts. Open the Filters panel and check the option labeled Bulk Discount Eligible. This narrows your view to items that can qualify for those savings. Eligible products will display a bulk discount badge, which is your quick confirmation that discounts are available for that item. Next, create a bulk order. Navigate to Orders, click Create Order, and select Bulk Order. This ensures you're in the right workflow to apply large quantities and see any applicable discounts automatically. Choose the product you want, then add your design as you normally would. After that, pick your print provider. This part is important. Discounts apply only when all the items in your order come from the same provider. You can usually mix sizes and colors within the same product as long as the provider stays the same, but if you split items across different providers, the discount may not apply. Enter the quantity you need. Make sure your total meets the requirement for the discount tiers. As a general guide, ordering 20 or more items often triggers shipping discounts, while larger quantities, like 50 or more, may unlock product price discounts depending on the item. If you're close to a threshold, increasing your quantity a bit could improve your overall savings. Add the shipping address for delivery. When choosing shipping, select Standard Shipping, because the shipping discount typically requires that option. Other methods may not qualify for the reduced shipping rate. Finally, head to checkout and open the cost breakdown. Look for the bulk discount to appear automatically on the product and shipping lines where applicable. If you don't see it, double-check your quantity, confirm all items are from the same provider, and verify that standard shipping is selected. That's it. Your bulk order is ready with the best available savings.